Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a page that we can add a blog article, something like this. We have the title, we have content, and we have an add button. We also have some editor function like this is to help us to compose the content of the blog better. Okay, so and this video is just mainly for the front end. It's just the form. We won't work with the back end yet in this video. Okay, so let's start. So I have a folder. For those who have watched my previous video, you already know about this. But in this video, just going to show you that I have an app. I created a folder called admin, and then a adblock PHP, adblock.php. I have an admin footer and a admin header. Okay, so today we're gonna go to within this folder. We don't care about this one yet. So in the header, it's nothing much. It's just the nav bar, and in the footer it's just a JavaScript for the bootstrap. Okay. All right, so the first thing we want to do is just to include. So the first thing we want to do is to include admin footer, no header. Okay, and copy it, and then we change this one to footer. All right, just to include what we have right here. Then what we're gonna do is to what we're gonna do next is to create a form. Okay, so say something like add a blog article. This comment. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to container fluid. Okay, we also give it a class called blog. Next thing we have an h4. We will say something like add a blog article. Okay, add a blog article. Let's go back to this and project tutorial. Now I'm just go to the folder. Your folder may be different from me, but yeah, we have the add a blog article first right here. Okay, the next thing we want to do is that create a form. So we're gonna have a form in action a adblock.php, a method post. Okay, next we're gonna have the input for our title. So we got input. We're gonna just have a play folder. Title. Okay, I also want to have something like a bootstrap class to make it look nice. Form control. Okay, and then the name is title. Okay. All right, copy and paste. This one we're gonna say something like content control, and this one will be content. Okay, but actually we don't need this one as input. We're gonna say something like text area, and we're gonna have the end of text area. Okay, we're gonna have the number of row like 3. Okay, let's go back and refresh it. Okay, we have something like this, but right now it doesn't show any placeholder content that we enter. Oh, this one a placeholder, not folder. Save it and refresh it. Alright, there we have it. We also need a button, so a submit button. Input submit, in value we're gonna say something like add article for submit, and we also have a class for it, that is form control, btn set. Okay, we have a name for it, we'll call it add article. Go back here and then refresh the page. Okay, there we have it. So the next thing I want to do is just to make it look style it a bit. So we want to push this one a little bit top 2, and for this, the title, we want to margin bottom 2, margin bottom 2. Okay, and let's refresh it. Alright, then it spares some space between it and look better. And then the next thing we want to do is to go to the header. Right, we're gonna go to the header, and for the style, you can create a style right here, and then block. We're gonna start a class block. So what we're gonna do is that margin, so we want 10 pixel here, and then auto for right and left. Okay, and they will push our form to the middle, and then we want to set the width to 60%. Okay, refresh it. Okay, and then we have something like this. All right, the next one we want to do is to make the content look something like this. We have a tool to edit our text. What we're going to do that is just go to CKEditor and CDN. Alright, and then you go to it. First we need to put in the script to our header. So we're going to open our header, and then this one we say something like CKEditor. Okay, and then we pass in the CDN link. So this is actually standard, which is a very simple one. If you want to make it a little bit more, make it with more feature, then you can choose something like for or for all. Okay, so this case, for example, we'll just go with for, which will give you more features. So it's change for here. Next thing I want to do is to copy this one. Alright, the script after the text area. So we're gonna go to this go back to the add block page, and then we find the text area right here, and then add the script below it. So replace editor one, instead of it, we're gonna say replace content, which is this, which is the name. Okay, save, go back to our website, refresh, and then we have something like this. Okay, so that's pretty much for this video. I'm just show you how we can just simply create a form for the added article that we will work in the future. All right, hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.